with that impressive pull of 1-inch galvanized steel and 25 meters or about 85 feet, I finished my time in Indianapolis. It's been a successful week. The Kobus Pipe Puller 400 is performed beautifully as expected. We've pulled copper, lead, 3/4, 1-inch, galvanized steel, you name it, everything. Even mixed lead with copper, copper with galvanized, lead with galvanized, the whole lot. We couldn't have had a more varied week. Every single one from 40 feet, 12 meters to 85 feet, 25 meters is come out. We replace in very fast time. The trial with Citizens Energy Group was an utter success. We pulled the whole pipe in about 3 minutes and they were hopefully pretty impressed. So as I said, that concludes my time in the US at the moment. Hopefully we'll have good news from these guys. In the meantime, take care. Goodbye.